Looking for a high-quality drone without breaking the bank? We've scouted AliExpress and found the top 5 best 4K drones that offer stunning video, smart features, and unbeatable value. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned flyer, this list has something for everyone. Watch the entire list and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Let's dive in and find your perfect drone. Item number 5. Meet the L200 Pro Max Drone, a foldable, lightweight quadcopter packed with power. It features a 4K front camera with a 2-axis gimbal, 25-minute flight time, and a 3,000-meter remote control range. Equipped with brushless motors, 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, and dual camera control via Apple Remote, it's ideal for beginners to experts. With GPS-assisted flight, height hold, and a compact design under 250 grams, this drone is ready to capture smooth, stabilized footage anywhere you go. Item number 4. Introducing the Mijia M6 8K drone, a lightweight, brushless quadcopter built for precision and performance. With 4-sided visual obstacle avoidance, dual cameras, optical flow positioning, and 120 degrees wide-angle 8K video, it captures stunning aerial shots. It offers 18 minutes of flight time, 3,000-meter control range, and real-time image transmission via a screen-equipped remote. Features like altitude hold, headless mode, and intelligent flight paths make it perfect for all skill levels. Compact, smart, and powerful, ready for takeoff. Item number 3. The LYZRC L900 Pro is a foldable GPS drone packed with smart features. It boasts a 4K adjustable wide-angle camera, dual positioning with GPS and optical flow, and a flight time of up to 18 minutes. With brushless motors, gesture control, follow me mode, and waypoint flight, it's perfect for effortless aerial shots. The drone supports real-time 5G Wi-Fi transmission and auto return to home safety. Compact yet powerful, the L900 Pro is ideal for smooth, stable photography, anytime, anywhere. Item number 2. Introducing the V198 GPS drone, a foldable, brushless quadcopter with intelligent GPS and 8K Ultra HD video capture. With up to 30 minutes of flight time, a 3,000-meter control range, and 5G Wi-Fi FPV, it delivers crystal-clear aerial views. Features include obstacle avoidance, waypoint flight, orbit mode, altitude hold, and 1-key return. Its 6-axis gyroscope ensures stable control, while the lightweight 236 grams build makes it ultra-portable. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this drone is ready for high-performance flying. Item number 1. Meet the SG91 Max GPS drone. Compact, powerful, and beginner-friendly. Equipped with a 4K adjustable front camera, GPS and optical flow positioning, and brushless motors, it offers smooth and stable flight. Enjoy features like gesture control, waypoint flight, altitude hold, and infrared obstacle avoidance. With a flight time of up to 20 minutes and lightweight 196 grams design, it avoids aviation registration in many regions. It's the perfect drone for high-quality aerial shots with smart, app-based control. Which of these AliExpress drones is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.